So hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how you can start print on demand business with $0. Many sellers was asking me how they can start their online business if they want to work from home and they want to start their online business, how they can start print on demand with. So I'm going to launch a full series of print on demand business. In that you can start your print on demand business with $0. Just you have to purchase the domain, and after that you have to do a marketing. Whatever the sales you will get, your print on demand partner will handle your customers, handle your orders, handle your returns, and whatever the profit you will get, you can get it from the dashboard. So let's get into the screen and I will show you step by steps and about the platform. You can work on the platform and just you can start with it. So let's go to the screen. So this is the first video of print on demand series with $0. So in this video we will talk about the products, what we have products to sell, what products we have to sell, and I am selling on this platform also. I am making good profit. I will put my screenshot here of my store and which product I am selling right now. I will reveal the product also. You can start your print on demand business with these products also. So in today's video we will talk about the platform, what the products they have, and in the upcoming videos we will keep covering all the topics like how you can make stores, how you can launch your products, how you can do product research. So we will cover each and every point. So in just today's video we will cover the platform, or the what is the platform, what is the positive point of the platform, what are the products we can sell on this platform. So we will just talk about these things. So the platform I'm talking about, where you can start your print on demand business with $0, just you have to google it, gearlaunch.com. The first site it will come, just you have to open it and you can see the product list and all the things you can see here. So this is the interface of the gearlaunch. So we can see like what are the products you can sell, all the things is there. So if you will go just in gearlaunch.com, you can see, so you can see how it works. In this you can get both platforms and Shopify. Platform means in that you don't need to pay the Shopify bills, you don't need to pay any hosting charges. You can just make your website on the platform, the gearlaunch platform. In that they will provide you free hosting, and just you have to purchase a domain from GoDaddy or anywhere, and just you can connect it to the platform. But if you want to sell on the Shopify, they have this option also. Just you have to search the Shopify app of the gearlaunch, and by that you can fulfill your orders. That thing I will also cover it. So in the proper upcoming videos, firstly we will talk about the platform, then we will talk about the Shopify app. So here you can see both things. Just in platform, just click on the platform and you can see here like how your dashboard will look like when you will enter as a seller. So you can see here, you can see the full videos of the things. So they have their own YouTube channel, you can go there and check it out also. So store setup you have to do, just I will tell you how you can do it. After they just create design, you can create the design, you can download the design, you can purchase the design. There are many things about the designs, you can do it. And after they just launch the product, I will tell you all the steps. After these things, like how you can launch the product, if you want to take advantage of YouTube gearlaunch channel, so you can go here and check their YouTube channel also. And other thing, like if you want to connect other sellers of gearlaunch, so you can go to their community of gearlaunch, and they having around 1000 members. So they post really good stuff in this, like whatever the trending is there, live sessions they provide, how you can sell, and if you have any question you can put in their community also. So this is the really good thing. They have inbuilt community support, so you can go here and check out here. If you want to see what are the products you will get in the gearlaunch, so here you can see all the products here. Apparel is there, bathroom products is there. So right now what the product I'm selling jewelry products. If you go in the jewelry, and the jewelry I'm selling in the birth necklace, so I'm doing good profit in this. This is the product which I'm currently selling on this platform, just with the zero investment. I'm not paying any subscription charge and any other extra costs, just on the product base cost, and I'm selling on these products. So you can see my screenshot here, the profit I made from these products. So I'm selling this product by the organic and inorganic method, both I'm applying, because this product can be sold by the influencers also, and this product can be done on the Facebook ads also. So this is how you can get all the products. If you want to see all the products, just you can go to their site and check all the products. In the academy section you will get little bit knowledge about like initial platform setup, campaigns, advertisement, how you can do these things. So you will get all the chapters here. PDF here is there. In resources they have different resources. Let's suppose back to school is now going at this time, the trends, so you will get all the trends here, daily updates, things like news things. So you can get here like trend reports, blogs, selling guides, these are things. And events, like whenever the gearlaunch will conduct events in every country, let's suppose they are conducting events in Vietnam, Bangladesh, India, United States, so they will update you and you can join their events also. If you want the offline event, offline visit to the their CEO, their sales manager, their marketing manager, their global managers, so you can meet there. And after that, the service they are providing right now is fan gear program. They are providing fan gears. Suppose if you are an influencer, big influencer, so just you can apply for the fan gear program, and in that they will handle your all things, like even the store they will handle all the things, they will handle it. Just you have to sit back and let promote on your social media and you will get the profit. So here are some services of that fan gear. You can apply for the fan gear and other thing. So about the fan gear, if you want to read, just you can go their site and check all the things like what they have. They provide all the service in the fan gear. And after that, in bulk order, if you want, if you have a company, small company, if you have any small enterprise like that, you can get the orders in the bulk also for your company, for your brand, company logo, for your team. If you are football player, if you have 11 player teams, just you can bulk order here from here. If you have a university, if you have a college, so you can get orders from here also in bulk order. Apart from that, they have enterprise partnership. If you have a small business and you want to partner with the gearlaunch, you can partner with gearlaunch and you can launch your brand, you can launch your small company, home business in the location. So these are the facilities they have. So you can check out all the things here. It is available on the website. So in this video we'll just cover these things, like you can explore the things, you can go their social media handles, community groups. I will mention the link in the description also. You can go from here. You can check out their YouTube channel for more updates, future updates for print on demand. So this is the leading company of print on demand at this time. They having global sellers from United States. The company is gearlaunch is basically from the United States. Their sellers is from all over the world. The biggest thing is that they have their own manufacturing unit in the United States. Whenever you will get the orders, they will directly dispatch from the United States within just 4 to 5 days. So this is the really good thing about this platform. So in the next video we will talk about how you can make your own stores and how you can launch your own brand with the gearlaunch. So see you in the next video. Till now, just check out the gearlaunch website.